how to sign up or create an Uber account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can sign up or basically just create an Uber account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to sign up or just create an Uber account, it's very simple. First of all, just make sure that you have downloaded the Uber application, and after you have done so, just go ahead and then make sure to also launch the app, and you're going to be able to see this type of interface over here, as you can see. Now you can basically just tap the get started option over here, and as you do that, it will ask you to simply log in with your phone number, but of course you can skip that process, or you can also simply later on choose to sign in with your Google account. Now in case you have not yet signed up for Uber, you can make sure to enter your mobile number, tap the continue option, follow the instructions to finish creating your Uber account, or you can also simply create using a Google, Facebook or email ID. So I'll just select continue with Google option, since that is the most convenient option for me, and I can just tap the continue option over here at the bottom. As I've done that, my Uber account will get successfully created, as you can find it over here as well. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically create or sign up on Uber. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.